Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a thank you letter for scholarships. What is thank you letter for scholarships? A thank you letter for scholarships is a letter that is used when a student wishes to express appreciation to a company or university or organization because of the scholarship they gave. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a thank you letter for scholarships step by step. Check this out. First of all, open the letter with today's date. And then, write the name of the recipient, in this case is the one who gave you the scholarship. And then, write the organization, or company, or university that hold the scholarship program. Now, write the address. Mention also the city, state, and the zip code. For the subject, you can write that it is a reply letter about the scholarship. Now, open the letter with Mr. or Mrs. followed by the name. In the first paragraph, state that you are honored to receive the scholarship. Here, you can mention the name of the program and also your school name. And introduce yourself. Write your class and the subject you are majoring. Mention how much you love the class. You may also mention you join a club related to the subject you are majoring to complete the introduction part. In the second paragraph, you must have a background why you apply the scholarship. Here, you may mention it a bit. For example, I work part-time. And I tell more about my job. After that, write your future dream or goals or plans after your graduation. It should be in line with the subject you are majoring right now. In the last paragraph, write how thankful you are about the scholarship support. You can write how meaningful it is to you. In this case, I can focus more to study and work less hours for my part-time job. And once again, say thank you. And finally, close the letter with sincerely, your signature, your full name, and your grade and the year. So, that's how you write a thank you letter for scholarships. See you.